All right, today we're going to talk about the full text finder links that you will see when you're using EBSCO Discovery Service. That's the search box that searches all of our databases. So when it brings back your search results, if it has direct access, it'll just bring up a PDF and you can just jump right into it just as easy as anything else. Let's go back to the result list here. So that one we just got directly in. But if there's one that they have to kind of look around for the access, there's this full text finder link right here. And if you click there, so it'll bring up where they think this article is. So this is a ProQuest database. It's not EBSCO, but if you click on this, it's going to go through a process now where it's going to try to track down that article in ProQuest. So even though we were searching in EBSCO, it redirected us into ProQuest for that article. So I'll close on here. Let's go back to our result list. This one here, this isn't from Full Text Finder. This is in Directory of Open Access Journals. That's non-EBSCO, but it'll take you right into the article there. Let's look at some more of these full text finders. Here's this one we looked at earlier. We can go direct in. If you see the PDF or the HTML, you can go directly in. Let's take a look at this one here, number 4. If we click on Full Text Finder, that means they're going to have to kind of hunt for it. Okay, so it looks like they found this one in ABI Inform, which is another ProQuest database. So it's going to search for the right link for that. It's going through the databases to try to find that one. Sometimes when you click on Full Text Finder, it'll take a little while to find it. There it is. So we'll close this down. Let me look at my other results here. And so it's always a little bit different in Full Text Finder. Let's click on this one, see what this one sees. It's just kind of to tell you where it probably is. This one, they found access at the publisher's website. So sometimes they will find access to an article that's not in their databases, but that is online somewhere that you can just have access to. So here's this article right here, and I'll click on View Options. And this one is just from their website, so I'm assuming we have full access here. And there's the article right there. So with the full text finder, you're generally going to find access. It's just going to be a little bit different, and you usually have to click on a link to get in. Let's go back here to our results and see if there's any more we want to take a look at. And sometimes you'll miss. Sometimes it won't be able to find it, but generally speaking, it can find it. I'm clicking this full text finder. Find Operating Theater Journal from EBSCO Open Access Journals. So there's, and then on each website you'll have to look around. On this one it looks like you'll have to look around on this website to find the article, and you might have to do a search within this journal, but it should be there. So that's the basics of how to use that. A lot of times this kind of is confusing when you see Full Text Finder and then another link comes up, but that's all it is. It's just found a link outside of the EBSCO system, and it's directing you to the correct set of links that it thinks will give you access. So, as always, if you have any questions, please get in touch with me. Thank you for watching.